Unlocking your business debit card on Lili is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to regain access to your card quickly and easily. Step 1. Open the Lili app. Launch the Lili app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account with your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to card settings. Once logged in, go to the card section in the app. Look for settings or options related to your debit card. Step 3. Select Unlock Card option. In the card settings, find the option that says Unlock Card or similar. This option will allow you to initiate the unlocking process. Step 4. Confirm your identity. Before starting recovery, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Complete the unlocking process. After confirming your identity, follow any final prompts to complete the unlocking process. You should receive a notification that your card is now unlocked. Now you can use your business debit card again. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Lili's customer support for assistance.